Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for taking the time out to stop by Resource Rundown. So I am going to run down some very good information when it comes to various software programs to help you create your resume and cover letter. And I'm also going to run down all of the AI-powered employment software tools right now that can assist you in streamlining the job application process. So without further ado, let's go. So some of the most popular programs right now that people are using, I know I have used a couple of these on this list. Let's start off with Zety. That's spelled Z-E-T-Y. This is a free online resume builder, and basically there are a variety of templates that you use to basically make your resume stand out, okay? There's all sorts of formatting options, all of that good stuff. And you can be able to print your resume out and go old school with that and head over to the local business and hopefully get a job. That's what the aim is, right? There's also a built-in cover letter builder and a resume checker with Zety. All of these have the same features, okay? Resume Genius has this. They also have, though, what I like about them, the ATS scanner. And for some of you all, if you don't know what that is basically what the recruiters will use to see if you are a good fit for a position, okay? And so if that scanner kicks back something that will make a human take a look at it, then yes. But if you got something on there that they're not looking for, then no. That's why I said in the last video, pay attention to the job description and make sure your job description matches the resume as well as the cover letter. So you're going to have multiple resumes, multiple cover letters, okay, depending on the jobs that you apply for. So that scanner is going to run through, and then hopefully it's going to help you get noticed by the applicant tracking systems. This one that I have used, and yes, I did actually get quite a few compliments. This service is My Perfect Resume. Now, this is a paid resume builder, but I'm going to tell you right now, any of these tools on this channel that I talk about where there is payment involved, one thing about it, they are better in a lot of ways than some of the freebies, okay? That's facts. You get more features. You're able to do more things, okay? There's also some features that are free, though, with My Perfect Resume, and you are going to get that professional look and the cover letter as well. Resume Lab. Now, this one is a user-friendly resume builder, really simple to use, and it has a variety of templates just like the rest of them, formatting, built-in cover letter, resume checker. This is what you're looking for when you are making a decision on what application to use. I also checked reviews as well when I used different ones, and the ones that had the higher reviews, of course, those are the ones that I went with. Canva. Now, Canva is a very popular graphic design platform. Sometimes, though, it can be a bit too much for someone who, look, this is not my strong suit, messing around with all of these tools. I get it. So if you don't want to go in that direction, My Perfect Resume, Resume Lab, some of the other ones may be much easier for you to navigate. But Canva does have a variety of templates, and you can also customize the resume with your own colors, your fonts, all of that as well. So that is the rundown, of course, on the various resume builders. Now, the next is the employment software, okay? So the AI-powered employment software tools, what is the benefit of these? I'm glad you stayed long enough to hear the rest of this video. Now, the benefit is that we're going to stop with the old school way of doing things. That's what we're going to do, which was the constant logging in and week after week, day after day. No, there are so many platforms that are out there that once you link up your resume to these various platforms, they will be able to then take that resume and put it in front of someone within that career board. So for instance, if you got Indeed or LinkedIn linked up to an AI powered tool that has that feature, similar to if you were using a scheduling tool to post up social media posts, then you're able to effortlessly send your resume to all of those different job boards in a matter of a few clicks, right? Instead of the logging in, scroll, and then you know how it goes, right? Okay, so let's start talking about some of this that is out here. There's Lazy Apply. Now, this one focuses on automating the application process. What it does is it's going to use the natural language processing to extract information from your resume and your LinkedIn profile, and then it's going to automatically fill out the online job applications. Yes, I can see somebody right now like, hold up, let me go over here. Yeah, it's called Lazy Apply. Okay, hopefully it'll still be around. All right, Job Scan. Now, Job Scan, it's an AI powered tool, and it helps you optimize your resume, right? Your cover letter, all of that good stuff. So you do get those options, but it's for specific job openings. And it's going to analyze the job description, identify the keywords and the phrases that are relevant to the position, and it's going to suggest how to incorporate the keywords into your application materials to increase your chances of getting noticed. Yes, and yes, some more. Job Scan, okay? Talent Brew. Now, Talent Brew, what it does, it's going to connect you with the potential employers, okay? And it will go ahead and help you with applying for the relevant job openings, all of that good stuff. It's using, though, machine learning to identify the companies that are looking for your skills, your experience, and then it's going to suggest personalized job recommendations. Oh yeah, okay? And then, of course, Resume Go. Resume Go is an AI-powered tool as well, and it's going to create a resume. So if you didn't use any of the other tools I mentioned, you can go ahead and use this one. It's going to, of course, highlight your skills, your experience. It'll provide suggestions for tailoring your resume to specific job openings, help you identify areas where you can improve, okay? Better that it comes from AI than us human beings, so yeah, always a good thing. Also, it's very easy to use. It has some really cool features. It's accurate. The pricing is reasonable. They do have customer support. So, hey, that's the rundown, baby. I don't know why some people haven't already started filling out some forms and getting some information in front of some people. I hope that this video has been quite helpful for you. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share. Send it off to that child who's taking too long to get a job. Just think of the thousands and thousands of dollars that a parent saves when, or a grandparent, when you tell that 15-year-old, 16-year-old, 17-year-old, get a job. Just had to add that. All right, well, have a great rest of your day. Once again, do let us know if there's anything that you would like us to cover, and we will do that. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.